What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here with you today with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about MyEcon Income Shifting Program and how it works. But first of all, I just want to take this time out to thank all of my subscribers. Thank all of you all who have just subscribed. If you're thinking about subscribing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you can be notified of other videos that I, put up on my channel. Okay, let me tell you a little story first. In 2017, around July, I posted an ad for MCA on Craigslist, and it was just for the membership. And I had people contacting me, and on this particular day, a young lady contacted me, and I thought she was contacting me about MCA. I thought, well, hey, I got me a sale, got somebody ready to, want the membership. But some kind of way, the conversation flipped onto MyEcon, and she asked me had I ever heard of it, and I told her no. And she went on to explain about how MyEcon is a personal financial success company, and what they do is they teach people strategies to get their finances together, and that's going to help them not only now, but it's going to help them for when they retire, that they will, have enough money for when they retire, that they won't have to work a second job. And so when she went on to explain the first strategy to me, it kind of piqued my interest. And so I told her, after conversating with her 2 or 3 times in the same day, I told her, look, I'm going to give it a try. You know what I'm saying? So I signed up for the membership, which was at that time $34.95, and that's what it's still today. Okay, right now they're just running a $20 promotional. Okay, so I signed up, and then she walked me through the process of the first strategy, and just from doing the first strategy alone, my wife and I was able to put $400 back into our I'm just gonna say household per month, from just doing the first strategy. Okay, so I didn't feel like the $35 that I spent to get the membership was a big deal, because I got $400 back. Spending the $35 just to get that one strategy was good enough for me. But not only did they have that one strategy, they had 2 other strategies that goes along with it. Okay, so now you may be wondering, what are the strategies? The strategies are, first, minimizing your taxes. Okay, when you get paid tomorrow or on your next paycheck or whatever the case may be, look at your taxes and think to yourself, what would you do if you could minimize those taxes? Okay, the second strategy is eliminating debt. Okay, they teach you how to eliminate debt. Now, you may already know this, but maybe you're trying to do it in a way that's not efficient, and so you might need to put this strategy into play. It works. Okay, the third strategy is minimizing your expense. Okay, so this is what MyEcon is about. It is about teaching you financial strategies that you weren't and are not being taught in schools. The only thing schools are doing today, yes, they're educating our children. Children need to go to school. I'm not knocking that, but they're not teaching our children, or neither did they teach us, how to be financially independent. The only thing school does and college does is prepare you for a job. Okay, so MyEcon, just so you know, is a personal financial success company. MyEcon is short for My Economy. I am MyEcon. Okay, and as I said, I've been in MyEcon for over a year, or coming up on a year. I did not promote the business opportunity side of it, because I was applying the strategies. And that's the thing about MyEcon. You do not have to promote the business side of it if you don't want to. You can simply you can simply do the strategies, get yourself out of debt, get your credit right, get you up an emergency savings fund, and learn how to invest for your retirement years. Then when you do that, if you want to share what you have achieved with somebody else, then you can do that. Okay. So that's what MyEcon is about. MyEcon is about you achieving wealth, your own personal financial success. And it's not about, excuse me, it's not about these products. Okay. It's not about these products. You can get this. You can get this. You can find that. You can do that. You can get this. Yes, all somewhere on the internet, other companies, whatever the case may be. But for us who are members, the ID Defender, the Smart Credit System, the Cash Flow Manager, the Credit Monitoring, and the Cashback Mall, all of that comes with us in the travel. That comes with us. Okay, just so you know, I've shown this before, and I really want you to see what I'm saying. This is what you come with. This is what comes with your membership. And I'm not going to go through it all. I've done that in previous videos. But this is what comes with your membership. But it's not about this. Okay? This is extra. The main important thing is learning cash flow strategies where you can get yourself out of debt. Okay? There are a lot of people right now that have a work a job and have a business on the side. They do not know how to apply the first strategy where they can get tax, where they can minimize their taxes. And it may be you. I did not know it myself until I actually talked to someone, to the young lady that introduced me to MyEcon. Okay. So those are the things I did not know. The training that goes on inside of MyEcon is phenomenal. We have MyEcon Lives, which they teach you how to invest in bonds and mutual funds and stocks. You know, just investing, talks about investing general, not just Forex, but in just investing, period. You know, it teaches you to learn this stuff, or to learn this stuff, that when you go talk to a financial advisor, instead of them advising you on what you should buy, you tell them what you want to buy, because you now have the financial investing education. It's an educational company. It's not about products. Okay, it is not about products. It's an educational, financial educational company. And the truth be told, 90% of, not more, of Americans don't know anything about finances. They don't know what the government does with your taxes. They don't know what the bank does with your savings account and your checking account money. I've learned those things. Those things open up my eyes to see what really going on. And it also teaches you, once you do the first strategy, which is minimize your taxes, once you do the second strategy, which is eliminate debt, the third strategy, minimizing your expenses, you need to have an emergency fund. And the truth be told, I didn't have one at that time, but I have one now because I applied the strategies. Okay. And here it is again. You can add anywhere. It's possible for you to add anywhere from $200 to $500 back into your paycheck without you recruiting a single person. So to take $35, learn the strategy, the first strategy, and apply it with the possibility of getting $250 up to $500. And if you have a spouse working, probably more per month, back into your paycheck, back into your household, back into your pocket, okay, without recruiting a single person. without pitching MyEcon. You don't have to. If you just want to work the strategies for your retirement. Okay? If you want to start a credit repair business, you have the credit repair in there that's going to teach you that, and you learn it and teach it to somebody else and help them get their credit done. If you want to sell it, you sell it. That's up to you. Understand this. MyEcon does not make money off of the membership. Okay? Because when somebody joins us in the membership, that money is paid out to the associates. MyEcon makes money in the long run. One, off of the products you consume and the products that you sell. Okay? The money that's being made from the business side, the opportunity side, that gets paid to the associates. They make money in the long run. Okay? So they're putting the associates first. And now as an associate and with a company like this, I purchased, let me go back. I purchased the online marketing system, which they have two prices. One is $13, the other is $19. I spent the $19.95 for the simple fact that the company makes money, okay, when we use this stuff. When we purchase these tools, these products, the company makes money off of it. The company makes money off of the cashback mall, and so do you. Now, if you got the mentality that you don't want the company to make any money, then you got a job, don't you? You have a job. Guess what? The company making money off you when you go to work every day. And they make more if you decide not to go because they don't have to pay you. I mean, just think about it. It just makes sense. $35 per month for the financial strategies and the investments, strategies that's going to help you in your retirement years. Okay, and then this gives you business income if you choose to work the business side of it. Okay, so that's all I really wanted to say about MyEcon income shifting. There are a lot of people, because MyEcon is being pushed by some top marketers. It's going viral on Facebook. So any and everybody wants to do a video, on MyEcon. As I said, I've been in MyEcon over almost over a year. I did not push the business opportunity side simply because I was working the strategies, and the strategies helped me and my family, and I know they can help you and yours too. Now I am promoting or marketing the business opportunity, but I'm also marketing the strategies. It is the strategies that gets you where you want to be. Investing is where you want to be. You want your money working for you and not you working for your money all the time, because understand this is the way I see it. If you're in MyEcon and all you're doing is hustling, trying to get people to join the business opportunity, then guess what? You're working for money. Because you're buying ads every day. You're posting on Facebook every day. You're putting on Craigslist every day. Maybe you're out talking to people. You're working for money, but when you learn how to invest, then your money works for you. Okay, so that's how I see it. That's my goal. The money I make in the business, the companies that I'm in, is going towards investments. Okay, it's going to, because when I invest, I live off the dividends. That's key. That's key. Okay, so think about that. It's not about, let me get back to it one more time. Let me find it. Store. It's not about the products, y'all. Yes, I did a video talking about the products, but it's not about the product. The product helps you make more money, It's another income stream for you, but it also helps the company make more money. Okay, so it's up to you what you decide to do. As I said earlier, the price right now is $20 to get in, but that will either go up tonight or tomorrow night at midnight, back to the regular price of $34.95, which is the regular price anyhow. And $34.95 or $35 to potentially earn back $200 to $500 plus or more back in your pocket on your paycheck, it should be enough to have you to at least want to check it out. Okay, so if you want to check it out, there will be a link in the description. Just go ahead and click the link. It'll take you to presentation page where you can check out the presentation. And if you have any question, go ahead on and leave me a comment below. Like the video, share it with somebody. If you don't want to share it with somebody that can use these services, because all of us know somebody who's struggling financially and who wants to get out. Okay, so with that being said, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Thank all of my subscribers. Thank all of you all who have just subscribed. And I will see you all later. So y'all have a blessed day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.